Good morning. Sakshi has not gone. Sakshi is here. To meet you. To talk to you.
Everybody's unmuted.
No one is muted yet.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Riyan. Good morning, Viraj. Good morning, Riyansh. And Neha. And good morning, Ayantika. Good morning, Kavya. Good morning, Avni, Anji, Krish,
Good morning.
Divya, Divyanshi, and I can't see your name, baby. Yukta. Yeah. Hi, Yukta. Hi, Roshni. Hi, Divija. Hi, Anvesha. Hi, Shriya. Hi, Mukta.
Surya.
Shiv Sivan. Avien. Ananya.
Surya.
Hi, Meghna. How are you, Meghna? You're so cute.
I'm fine.
Wow. Your dress is again, I'm telling you, your dress is so pretty, Meghna. Very beautiful.
Thank you.
Hi, most welcome. And Andrew, you are getting inside the camera. How would I see you? Now I can see you, baby. Hi. Wow, there are so many kids. Wow. Hi,
I see.
Shivan.
Oh, thank
All right. So, are you all ready for today's Good morning.
This is birthday.
What?
Birthday.
Whose birthday? Can you please tell me your name?
Nana.
I can't whose birthday?
I saw Kavya Day.
Oh, it's okay. Let me sing a happy birthday song for you. Happy birthday to you. Let us all sing.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday to you. Yay! God bless you. God bless you, baby. Love you. All right. You show me thumbs up who all are ready for today's session. Yay! Good job. Okay. So right now I'm going to mute so that everyone can hear us properly. Okay. All right. Now you can just show me your hands up if I ask you some questions. All right. Can someone tell me who all have done brushes? Who have done brush in the morning by themselves? Show me hands up who all have done brush by themselves. Wow. Shrivartan, you also have done. Wow, Arush. Wow, Avien. Wow, Divyanshi, Ayantika, Riyansh, and Meghna, Sukhru, Yuvraj, Krish. Wow, all have done. Ashvika, Roshni, Kushagra, Shifa, Aghanya, well done. But let me ask, have you done it properly, like in the front teeth, the back teeth, and the side teeth? Have you cleaned all the teeth? Very nicely. My God. Okay, can someone tell me how many teeth you have got in your mouth? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just see and check how many teeth do you have. Yes. Someone has 28. Some has 30. Wow. Well done. Yes. We have got so many teeth in our mouth and we have to take care of our teeth. It's really important that we do brush daily, twice a day. That means one time in morning and one time in evening. And that too very nicely. Do brush for the front teeth, the side teeth, and the inside teeth, up and down. We have to clean our teeth nicely. Otherwise, you know what? Small dirty germs will go in the teeth and they'll make cavity. And we don't want that. So show me thumbs up. Will you all do brush yourself and do it properly every day? Good job. All right. Now, okay. Do you know? Just tell me one more thing. Who all have done yoga and exercise in the morning? Show me hands up. Who all have done yoga and exercise in the morning? Wow, Sukhru. Wow, Meghna, Riyansh. Well done, Ayantika, Kavya, Divyanshi, Yukta, Shivisan. Wow. Shivsivan, sorry. And Shrivartan, did you do exercise in the morning? Anaya, did you do exercise in the morning? Oh. And Kushagra, you did it. That's good, boy. Divija, did you do? Well done. Well done, Ashwika. Viraj. Wow. Advik, did you do exercise in the morning? Oh no, you forgot. Aganya, you did it. You are a good girl. Well done. And Deshna, did you do? Arush, did you do exercise in the morning? Wow. Arush also did it. Someshwari, did you do? Wow. Shifa. Well done. Vivan, did you do exercise in the morning? Oh. So, some of you have done and some of you have forgot. It's okay. We can practice daily. Will you raise your hand and will you show me thumbs up if you do exercise daily? Well done. Good job. Good job, Satya. Good job, Shivartan. Well done. We should do exercise and meditation daily. It's really important. And let me ask one more question. Who all have done morning chores? Like, did you love your mama, papa in the morning? Did you hug them? Did you say, I love you, mama? I love you, papa? Oh, I saw you, Virat. So cute. I saw you. Alright. Aganya, you also did it. Satva also did it. Arush, wow. Very good. Roshni, I cannot see you. Did you do it? Divija, did you do it? You can do it now also if you want. We always love our mama, papa like that. In the morning, just wake up and love them and say, Mama, papa, I love you so much. You know, when mama, papa loves us, it feels so nice. When you love them, they will also feel so nice. Right? Okay. So, okay. Show me thumbs up. Will you always love in the morning your mama, papa? Good job. See how nice kids you all are. You kids are super kids, super duper kids because you all do great things. Well done. You know what? I have received few photos and videos of you, of kids who have done wonderful activities. I know that you all do, but right now I only have received few. Let me share. Shall I? Show me thumbs up if I share the screen. Alright, let's do it. Can you all see my screen? Show me thumbs up. Yes, alright. Okay, so you know my name? My name is Sakshi and I am a personality development trainer. Right. You know what? I love playing with kids. I can play all day. All day long I can play with you because that's so fun. So let's move forward. Now I will tell few kids' name which I have received. They have done brilliant activities. Let me tell. First, you know who is this? He is Viraj. Viraj, well done. You have done drawing and coloring different patterns. Can you all see Viraj's drawing? Isn't it amazing? Well done, Viraj. Please clap everyone for Viraj. Job, Viraj. Well done. Well done. Superb. Proud of you. Good job. Now, after Viraj, we have got Vedansh. Sorry. Just a second. Okay. Now after Vedansh, we have got, you know what? Vedansh have actually created a poster on Corona. We all know about coronavirus, right? It's really dangerous and we all have to follow the golden rules. The 3 golden rules that we should always keep our hands clean and sanitize it with sanitizer. We should not touch the face, the eyes, the nose and mouth with our hands, with dirty hands. And we should stay home right now because outside it's coronavirus and it's little dangerous. So it's better that we should stay at home for some days. Good, Vedansh. That is so nice of you. So creative and so beautiful drawing you have made. Well done, Vedansh. Please clap everyone for Vedansh. He has done a very good drawing and he has given very nice message. Well done, Vedansh. Very, very good. After Vedansh, we have got Divyanshi. Divyanshi has actually made a finger painting and thread painting to show that we should always respect our teachers and parents. You know, she has written one mantra also. We all pray, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Well done, Divyanshi. It's a very, very nice mantra. It's very important and we should always respect our teachers and our parents, our elders. Well done, Divyanshi. Well done. Very creative. Please clap everyone for Divyanshi. Well done, baby. Well done. Very nice. After Divyanshi, we have got Divija. She's so cute. Divija has actually done 3D oil painting. Can you all see my screen? How beautiful did she do? Divija, that is so creative and so neat. Amazing work. Please clap everyone for Divija. It is so lovely. Well done. Well done, Divija. Well done. After Divija, we have got Sukhrup. My God, Sukhrup, you're so smart. You know what? Sukhrup has actually done a very nice storytelling and he was so confident. While he was narrating the story, he was really confident with all those puppets and props. He has narrated the story of Fox and Crow. It is so nice, Sukhrup. You're very confident. Well done. I'm so proud of you. Please clap everyone for Sukhrup. Well done. Good job, baby. Well done. After Sukhrup, we have got Ayush. Oh, Ayush has actually given a very, very important message. Ayush has made a poster on Doctor's Day. You know, there is coronavirus outside everywhere. You know, doctors are actually helping us a lot. They are treating us. They are giving us medicines so that the people who have got infected from coronavirus, they will get fine. Normally also, whenever you become ill or someone gets ill, we go to doctor. The doctor treats us. They give us proper medical treatment so that we will be fine. So we should also thank doctors because they are doing a very nice job and they are very important for us. Ayush, you have actually made a very nice poster, very nice message, very, very nice. Ayush, well done. Please clap everyone for Ayush. Ayush, well done. Good job. After Ayush, we have got Anaya. Naya, very nice, baby. Anaya has actually made flower with handprints and Ganpati mantra. Wow! Anaya, it's so creative. Your idea is really nice. You made it so neatly. Well done. Please clap for Anaya. I know Anaya does very nice things. And the other time she has actually shown me the hula hooping also. Anaya, I remember you do very nice hula hooping. That's great. Well done. After Anaya, we have got Anvi. Anvi has actually done a very, very beautiful painting. Can you all see how beautiful painting Anvi did? Wow, Anvi, it's very nice, very beautiful. Well done, Anvi. Please clap everyone for Anvi. Good job, baby. After Anvi, we have got Litesh. You know, see, he has done a lot of yoga poses. Wow. Well done, Litesh. He has done animal yoga poses and that too very nicely. Well done, Litesh. Well done. Please clap everyone for Litesh. Good job. Very nice, Litesh. After Litesh, we have got Sattva. Can you all see how nicely Sattva is doing? Sattva actually has done a science experiment to see how hot sun is. And he has also done a spray painting. Sattva, your idea of experiment is really, really nice. You are very intelligent and your spray painting is very neat. I'm so impressed. Well done, Sattva. Keep doing experiments like this. Well done. One for Sattva. Well done, Sattva. Well done. You did it really nice. After Sattva, we have got Nia. You know, Nia has actually done a story narration from finger puppets. Wow, this idea is so creative, Nia. Well done, you have made finger puppets. Well done, Nia. Please clap for Nia. Wow, Nia, it's so creative and so nice. I really loved it. Well done, baby. Well done. Oh, after Nia, we have got Yukta. My God, Yukta, it's so nice. Yukta has actually done yoga poses very neat. Can you all see how nicely yoga poses Yukta have done? Well done, Yukta. You will be always fit and strong. And you did it very nice. Also, Yukta have done, can you all see drawing? How beautiful drawing is. And can you see that Yukta has actually got a certificate from International Day of Yoga. Amazing work, Yukta. I'm sorry. Well done, Yukta. Well done. It's so nice. Please clap everyone for Yukta. Well done, Yukta. Well done. Good job. Keep doing like this. Well done. After Yukta, we have got Sachi. Can you see Sachi's drawing? Sachi's drawing is seriously very nice. She has made a fighter, a knight. And it's wearing a helmet. It's got a sword. Sachi, your drawing is really nice. Well done. Very creative. Please clap everyone for Sachi. Well done, Sachi. Well done. After Sachi, we have got Yuvraj. Yuvraj has actually done storytelling and different shades of color he has explained. It's very nice. It's very smart, Yuvraj, and you did it very confidently. I love it. Well done. Please clap for Yuvraj. Well done, Yuvraj. Well done. I'm so happy and so proud. Keep doing that. Well done. After Yuvraj, we have got Arush. Arush has also done a lot of yoga poses. Please see all of you. Arush, you have done a very good yoga pose and we should all do exercise and yoga daily to stay fit and strong. I'm so proud of you, Arush. Your poses are so clean and so nice. Well done, Arush. Well done. Please clap for Arush. Well done, Arush. Well done. I love it. After Arush, we have got Ashwika. Ashwika has actually done coloring and she has started reading books. You know why? Reading books will make you very smart and intelligent. Ashwika, you are doing great job. I'm so impressed. Well done, Ashwika. Please clap for Ashwika. Well done, Ashwika. Okay, after Ashwika, we have got Sharika. Can you all see? Sharika has done puzzle making. You know what? Will you all start doing puzzles at home? You know, puzzles will make your mind very intelligent. You can think nice and new things. You'll get new ideas. Puzzles are very good. Sharika, I'm so proud that you are doing different puzzles. You'll be very smart. You're already smart and you'll become more and more smart. Well done, Sharika. Please clap everyone for Sharika. Good job, Sharika. Good job. After Sharika, we have got Aghanya. My God, Aghanya, you also have done very nice yoga postures. My God, so neat and nice. I love it. Aghanya, you also have made car out of a cardboard. My God. And you know what it is? Why it is so best? Because you have made it from a waste material. Aghanya, it's so creative and so nice. You're very smart. Well done. Your yoga is amazing and your creativity, your ideas are amazing, Aghanya. Lovely. Please clap everyone for Aghanya. That's great. That's great, Aghanya. After Aghanya, we have got Riyansh. Oh, we have got Riyansh. Isn't it cute? Riyansh has actually explained primary and secondary colors. It's very nice, Riyansh. You know a lot. You're very smart, very intelligent. You know the secondary and primary colors, and that too you have explained with full confidence. I love it. Amazing, Riyansh. Please clap everyone for Riyansh. Well done. It's amazing. Well done, Riyansh. Keep doing such experiments. You are very smart. Well done, baby. After Riyansh, we have got Arna. Arna has also done some beautiful drawing. And also she has made one dragon also, paper dragon. My God, fire breathing dragon. Arna, you are so smart. You're so intelligent. And see, your activity are so neat. Your drawing is so neat. Well done, Arna. Well done. Please clap for Arna. Well done, Arna. Very nice. Loved it. I'm so proud. Well done. After Arna, oh, we are done. Yes, but I know you all do a lot of activity and I'm so happy to see that you all are so smart kids. Very nice. I know that you all do a lot of activities at home, but I have received only a few. So no worries. But I know that you all are smart kids. You do nice activities at home. So shall we clap for ourselves? Loudly. Let us all clap for ourselves. Yay! Let me see who can clap harder. Yay! Well done. Because we all are amazing kids. Amazing, brave, smart kids. Yes. Wow. Alright. Now before I move forward, just let me know, just tell me who has drinking a lot of water this week. How many glasses? I just want to see how many glasses have you all drinking. 1 glass, 2 glass, 3, 4, 5. Show me. You can drink it now. Just ask mama or you can take it yourself. Drink it. Yes, drinking water is really important. It is summer season, you know. And if we drink a lot of water, we will be fit. Our body will be hydrated and we will be fit. So it's important. All right. Let me just recall the story which we have narrated, which we have done last time. We have done the story of a farmer, a poor farmer. He was really poor. He didn't have any money. So one day he was feeling hungry. So he went outside and he saw a goose wandering around. The goose was really beautiful. And he thought, wow, such a pretty goose. And when he looked closer, he saw that the goose has laid a golden egg. The farmer got surprised to see that. Wow, a golden egg. He took that golden egg in his hand and he looked at closely. Wow, it's so pretty golden egg. It would be great if I will sell this golden egg to the market. I will become rich. So he quickly sold that egg to the market and he earned a lot of money. After earning money, he has bought a cow, a horse, a big house for himself. He thought, wow, if I sell one egg, I have become this much rich. If I sell so many eggs, then I'll become richer, I'll become more richer. So what did he do? He thought, let me cut that goose tummy and take out all the golden eggs from her tummy. Then I'll become rich, more rich. So he quickly took a big knife and he tried to cut it open. And you know what happened? When he cut the goose's tummy, the goose died. Now the farmer realizes his mistake. Oh no, what did I do? You know what? I have actually killed the goose. Now I don't have a golden egg nor I have a goose. See, I became greedy and because of my greed, I have lost everything now. Oh no, now the farmer understood his mistake, that he will now become poor again. He became sad. So kids, we understood that we should never be greedy. We should be satisfied for whatever things we have. Let me ask you one question. Shall I ask? Show me thumbs up. Shall I ask? Yes. So, the question is, suppose we all watch videos at home on Mama Papa's mobile and on laptops, on tablets. So what should we do? If Mama Papa has given us to watch only a little, like 10-15 minutes, what we will say? We'll say, thank you Mama, and we will return the mobile back to Mama. Or no, we should say, no Mama, I want to see more and more and more. I want to see 1 hour. I want to see the Chuchu TV or videos, cartoon videos for 1 hour. What will you do? Will you be a good boy or good girl and return the phone to mobile? Show me your left hand if you will return the mobile to Mama Papa. Or show me your right hand if you'll cry, no, I want to see more, I want to see more. Show me. Yes, very nice. We will never see more TV or mobile or videos, Chuchu TV or other cartoon videos, because like Peppa Pig or other cartoon videos. Because you know what? Otherwise your eyes will get ruined. If we watch a lot of TV and videos and mobile, our eyes get ruined. And even if Mama has given us mobile to see some videos, we just watch it for some time and we return it back to Mama or Papa. We say thank you for giving me. And also, most important thing, if you watch mobile or TV, you should watch it from distance. Right now also, you should all sit at a distance. We should not sit so close, otherwise our eyes will get ruined. And we don't want that, right? Our eyes are very precious. Our whole body is precious. So we should take care of it. So we should not watch the TV or mobile from near. Will show me thumbs up if you have understood this. Show me thumbs up. Good job. Good job, everyone. Now, are you all ready for today's story? Show me thumbs up. Both thumbs up. Are you ready for today's story? Even I am ready for today's story? Alright. So today I'm going to narrate the story about Dave the dog and Kavi the cat. They are the kids just like us all. Just like we like to do a lot of masti, a lot of fun the entire day. We do a lot of fun. We jump here and there. A lot of fun we have. So they also do a lot of. They also have a lot of fun the entire day. And just like we learn something new every day, Dev and Kavi also learn something new every day. Let's see. Let's find out what do they learn today. So Dave learns taking turns. Let's see how Dave learns it. So one day, Dave and Kavi were playing. They were playing football. Yay! Dave and Kavi said, "Wow, let's play football. It's a sunny, bright day. Let's play football. It will be so much fun." So Kavi became the goalkeeper. She said, "Okay, I'll be the goalkeeper." And Dave said, "Let me kick the ball." So at first, Dave kicked the ball hard. Dishoom! Again, Kavi is a good goalkeeper. She stopped the ball. Then again, Dave hit the ball. Dishoom! Again, Kavi stopped the ball. She saved the goal because she's a good goalkeeper. Now she said, "Now Dave, it's my turn. You have already kicked 2 times. Now my turn." But you know what Dave said? "No, it's my turn. I wanna kick. No, it's my turn. My turn. I will only kick the ball." Kavi said, "Okay, let's do it again. You kick the ball." Again, Dave hit the ball. Dishoom! Again one time, Dave hit the ball. Dishoom! Kavi saved the goal both times as she's a nice goalkeeper. Then again Kavi said, "Now Dave, it's my turn. Please give me chance. It's my turn." But then again Dave said, "No, I will do it. I will only kick the ball. It's my ball. I will only kick the ball. It's my ball. I will kick." So, Kavi thought why Dave is not understanding. She became a bit sad. Why Dave is not understanding that we should play in turns. One time Dave's turn, one time my turn. We should play one by one. Everyone should get turns. And he's not giving me my chance. He's not letting me kick the ball. Kavi became a bit sad, but she said, "It's okay. I will just give him one more chance." So she said, "Okay, again kick the ball." But she was a bit sad this time. Again, Dave kicked the ball. Dishoom! Again, Dave kicked the ball. Dishoom! Now Kavi said, "Dave, it's my turn to kick the ball. I have not kicked it at all. It's my chance now. Give me my chance." But Dave again said, No, I want to kick the ball. It's my ball. I will only kick the ball. It's my ball. I will only kick the ball." You know what happened? Kavi became really angry, and she said, "You know what, Dave? Now I will not play with you anymore because you are not giving me chance to play. You are only kicking the ball and you are not giving me chance. I am not feeling good. I am going now. I will not play with you anymore." And she went away. Now Dave became surprised. Huh? Why Kavi has gone? Why she's not playing with me anymore? What happened? He didn't understand. He was just surprised why Kavi has gone. Kavi thought, let me go and discuss the situation with Uni Didi. You know who is Uni Didi? There comes Uni Didi, the colorful, bright unicorn. She is Uni Didi. And she said, she smiled and she looked at Kavi and she asked, "What happened, Kavi? Why are you so upset? Why are you not feeling nice? What happened?" Then Kavi said, "Uni Didi, you know what? I was playing with Dave and Dave was not giving me my chance. He was just playing on his own. He didn't understand that we have to play in turns. One time his turn, one time my turn. He didn't give me any chance. He kept on kicking the ball himself. He didn't give me chance. So that's why I have come here. I'm not playing with him anymore. So Uni Didi said, let me see. Okay, but Kavi, did you identify the problem? That why Dev is not letting you play? Why Dev is not understanding? Did you identify the problem? We need to identify, or we need to understand what is the problem. Why Dev is not letting you play? So Kavi thought. Kavi said, Uni Didi, maybe he doesn't know that we should play in turns. We should play in turns one by one. Maybe Dev doesn't know this. So that could be the problem. Then Uni Didi smiled and she said, wow, Kavi, you have identified the problem. Now you understand that maybe Dev doesn't know that we should play one by one. Now you have understood the problem, and when there is a problem, we should always look for solution. Can you all say with me loudly? We should always look for solution. It's okay. When there is we always have to understand. We always have to identify the problem, and then we should always look for solution. Uni Didi has given Kavi an idea that we should look for solution, right? So Uni Didi said, okay, Kavi, now you have understood the problem that Dev doesn't know that we should play one by one, or Dev doesn't know that we have to play in turns. So now do you know what is the solution in this situation? We should go and talk to Dev, and we should make him understand that we should play one by one. Oh, now Kavi also got the solution. She became really happy. She said, wow, Uni Didi, thank you so much for giving me a solution to make me understand that I have understood the problem, and now I got the solution also. Now they both became so happy. They both decided, let's go to Dev. Now Dev was standing here. Dev was really sad and he was not understanding the problem. Why Kavi is not playing with me? What happened to Kavi? Why did she go? Why she's not playing with me anymore? He was a bit sad. But then there came Uni Didi and Kavi. They both said, what happened, Dev? You know, why are you sad? I'll tell you. Uni Didi said to Dev, Dev, you know you should play in turns, one by one. One time your turn, one time Kavi's turn. You were not giving her chance. You were just playing on your own. You didn't let Kavi kick the ball. So that's why Kavi felt bad and she went away. And that is your problem. You were feeling that why Kavi has gone, why Kavi is not playing with me. This is the problem. If you play in turns, if you play one by one, Kavi will never go away. Kavi will play with you because you are very good friends. So now do you understand there? We should play in turns, one by one. Wow, Dev said, wow, Uni Didi, you have actually told me the right thing. Now I understand that I was doing a mistake. I was not playing in turns, and that's why Kavi felt bad. Now I understand. Dev also got the solution, and now Dev and Kavi became friends again. They said yes. Dev said, I'm sorry, Kavi. I will not do that again. Now I understand that we should play in turns, one by one. One time your chance, one time my chance. So let's play together again. Now Dev, Kavi and Uni Didi, they all became really happy, and Dev and Kavi became thickest of friends. Means best friends. Yay! Do you all like the story? Show me thumbs up if you like the story. Yes. Now we understood that we should always play in turns. We should always do things one by one. Good job. Now, let me ask you one question. Let me see if you all have understood or not. Suppose you are playing in a park with your friends. Now, what will you do? Will you say, no, my my turn. Or you'll say, no, one time my friend and one time myself. Show me your left hand. If you'll cry, no, only I will swing, only I will swing. Or show me your right hand. If you will say, no, I will swing one by one. One time me and one time my friend. Well done. See, I told you, you all kids are super duper amazing. I love you all kids. You're so amazing. You all kids understand so nicely. So intelligent. See, well done. See, well done. Now, let me... Okay, just tell me one thing. Who all wants to play a game? Can you show me thumbs up? Who all wants to play a game? Yes. All right. Now let's play a game. It's called Dev Says and Kavi Says. All right. So when Dev says, you have to find two objects of different colors. Yes. So I'm giving you a thing, alright? Dev says pink color. Can you all find two pink things? Run. Find it out. Can you find two pink things? Find. Come on. Run, find. Wow, Vani, you already found it. Deshna, Adanya, find two pink things.
I got.
What did you? Oh my God, Jaksh, you got it. Wow, Gupta, you also got it. Kushagra, go find. Wow, Priyanka, go find it. Manasi, find it. Wow, run. Wow, Yuvraj, you found it. Okay, now let me ask another thing. Kavi says green color. Can you find two things of green color? Run. Find two things of green color. Yes. Wow, run. Advik, run. Wow, first line. Wow, Viraj. Yes. Wow. Yes, fine. Wow, Kavya. Wow, Sukhrup, I got it. I can see that. Wow, Divija. Okay, now again, let me give. Color. Can you find two blue things quickly? Run, find two blue things. Yes, I can see. Divija, I can see. Aisha, I can see your dolphin. Wow, Yukta, I can see. Wow, Yukta. Divyanshi, good. Wow, Meghna. Now let me give you a difficult one. Let me see who can do it. A difficult one. Kavi says purple color. Can you find purple? Two things purple. It's difficult. Run. Let me see if you can do purple things. Come on, run. Find. Wow, Manasvi, you found it already. Wow, Manasvi. Good job. Huh? Wow, so cute animals. Wow,
Unicorn.
Arush, wow. Abhi, did you find something purple? Anvi, Divyanshi,
It is purple.
good. Wow, Meghna. Now let me give you a very, very difficult one. Abhi says black color. Can you find two black things? Black. Yes, Sukhrup, you got it. Divyansh, I can see. Wow, Kavya. Well done, Wow. Well done, all of you. Good job. See, I know you all are so nice. I know. Let me just give you one thing. You all should help your mama this week. I will ask next time. You can ask your mama, Mama, I just want to help you. Then your mama will tell how you can help her, right? And also, whenever you see your mama, just serve her water. She will be very happy, you know. Whenever you see mama sitting, just serve one glass of water. She'll be really happy to see that you are serving water to her. Show me thumbs up. Will you have some? Show me thumbs up. Will you have some water? How lovely you are. Love you. Love you guys. We'll meet next week, next time. Bye. 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 Love you. Bye bye.
Bye.